ਧੰਨ ਹਨ ਧੰਨ ਹਨ ਧੰਨ ਹਨ ਪਰਮ ਪੂਜਨੀਕ ਸੱਚੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਦੇਵ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਧੰਨ ਹਨ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। Guru Pyari Sath Sangat Jiyo, as you see in the previous video, we've talked about what the importance was of taking Gurbani and implementing in our life and taking the support and guidance of Gurbani. As Guru Granth Sahib Ji says, Sikh ho sabad do pyare ho janam maran ki tek. Guru Arjan Dev Ji says, Farmaunde han ki my beloved Gursikhs should take the teachings of Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji and implement it in their life by learning it and making it practical from the moment they are born till the day they die, and taking support and guidance of Gurbani. And by doing so, they'll be freed from the 84 lakh June cycle, the cycle of birth and death. So in this video, we'll be learning the Gurshabd of Partya Rupo Na Pekha Netar Sad Ki Tahal Sant Sange Het, and the importance this Shabd plays within our life, and especially in the society we live in today. Before we begin and go into the topic of what is Kaam, what is the arths of this Gurbani line, we're going to learn the Shuddha Charan first. The Shuddha Charan by doing Ikalli Ikalli Lag. So it goes as Papa Mukta P, Rara Mukta R, Par, Tatte Seari, Patch Adda Rara, Tre, Ada Mukta A, Treya, Rare Delankad Ru, Pape Onkad Po, Rupo, Par, Tre, Rupo, Nana Mukta N, Papela pe khakhe dalan kha pe kha nanne la ne tatta mukta patch adarara tar netar sad sase kanna sa tadda mukta t sad kakke vyari ki tanka mukta t haha mukta h lalla mukta l tahal sad ki tahal sase tipi sang tatta mukta t Sasit pi sang gagge syari ge sant sange hahila he tatta muktat het. So the correct pronunciation is Paratra Rupo Na Pekha Netar Sad Ki Tahal Sant Sange Het. And learning the correct pronunciation is very, very key, and learning and memorizing Gurbani. So Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Sahib Ji Maharaj and Sri Sukhmani Sahib Ji Farmaunde han that my beloved Gursikhs, with their eyes, with their surt, should not look at the opposite gender with lustful intentions. Meaning when the opposite gender doesn't come across their eyesight, that lustful intentions, lustful thoughts should not enter their minds. So Bhagavad Jaswant Singh Ji gives a teaching here, and they tell us that when the opposite doesn't come across our eyesight, what we should do is start doing the job of that she or he is Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji's daughter, Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji's daughter, Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Amar Das Sahib Ji's daughter, Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji's daughter, Dhan Dhan Guru Khalsa Panth Ji's daughter, Dhan Dhan Mata Sahib Kaur Dev Ji's daughter. And like that, repeat all of the 10 Gurus' names. So Guru Pyari Sath Sangat Ji, if you look into today's society, you can see that Kaam is very prevalent, and how these marketing companies, these corporations, use it as a marketing tool. And that leads to our brothers and sisters trying to look like the models, the celebrities, the athletes, right? And that takes them away from Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji's teaching. And then Bhagavad Jaswant Singh Ji in their Sri Sukhmani Sahib Stik write that there are 9 forms, or you can say there's 9 stages to Kaam, and that it actually starts from once we start looking with lustful intentions at the opposite gender. They write, Partya Rupa na dekhde Gurmukh Sant Mahant Sravana Simran Kirti Chetvat Baat Ekant Drid Sankalp Par Yatan Tan Prapat Nau Kahant. So for this video, we'll be focusing on just the first step, and with Gur Prasad, hopefully we'll make a more detailed video on the 9 stages. So they say how Kaam starts is by looking at the opposite gender. So these lustful intentions, these lustful thoughts will drive us away from succeeding in life. As we can see, many celebrities have fallen victim to Kaam, in which Kaam has destroyed their reputation, their life, their careers. But ultimately, the big picture in this is that Kaam will take us away from Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. And we have been giving this life to meet God. Pe parapat manuk devriya, Gobind milan ki eh teri bariya. As Guruji says, this is our chance to meet Akal Purakh. We can't let Kaam take us away from that. We need to use Gurbani to fight Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar. And that's what we're trying to do in these videos, is we can just take simple teachings, just take 2 lines at a time and try to implement them within our life. So going back to our topic, Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Sahib Ji Maharaj in their Bani of Sri Saskirti Slok explain what Kaam is, they explain the characteristics and how we can save ourselves. They started by saying, He Kamang Nark Bisramang Bahut Joni Parmavanha. That they say, He Kamang Nark Bisramang. That Kaam, those individuals, those Kaljugi Jeev that forget Akal Purakh's message, that don't read Gurbani, don't go to Sat Sangat and indulge into lustful actions, what happens is Nark Bisramang. They get sent to hell. And that's one thing, but the other thing is that their life turns into a living hell as well. Nark Bisramang Bahut Joni Parmavanha. That Kaam takes you back into the cycle of reincarnation, puts you back into 84 lakh June. So Guruji goes on to say, Chet Haranang Tralo Gamyang Japatav Sil Bidaranha. The Guruji is saying, Chet Haranang, that it steals your mind, it steals your consciousness, it steals your morals, your ethics. Chet Haranang Tralo Gamyang. That Kaam affects everybody within the heavens, the earth, and the hells. Japatav Sil Bidaranha. That Kaam can destroy your jap, meaning your meditation, tap, your seva, your penance, and Japatav Seal meaning your good character, your good virtues, your morals. And then Guruji goes on to say after that, Alapasok Avit Chanchal Uch Neech Samavanha. That the pleasure of Kaam is only for a moment. And that for this moment, the Kaljugi Jeev runs after it. Because Guruji says, Nimaka Kaam Swad Karane Kote Dinas Dukh Pavahe Ande Chete Hare Hare Raya. Tera so deno neda aya. So alapsok avit chanchal. It makes your mind chanchal. There's no steadiness. You don't have the peace of mind. You always have thoughts after thoughts, and these lustful thoughts never stop. They just increase, and takes you away from Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Uch neech samavanha. And that Kaam can affect, as Guruji said before, affects the people, everyone in the heavens, the earth, and the hells, and also uch neech, meaning if you're high caste, low caste, or if you're rich or poor, it doesn't matter who you are, Kaam can affect you. As long as you take support of Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar cannot come near you. So Guruji finishes off by saying, Tav pa bimunchita, sad sangam, ot nanak na rahina. That to destroy the evil disease of Kaam, we have to join the Sat Sangat. And in joining the Sat Sangat, we take the support of Narayan, Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and take Guruji's message and put it and implement it in our life and do Ardas Benti. So those Gursikhs who take the support and guidance and fall at the feet of Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, who come into the Sharan of Guru Khalsa Panth, they're saved from Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar. Guruji blesses them with Hirday Chmuch Amrit, the ambrosial nectar, and Dimak Jabani, meaning a japa jap. Gormukh Rome Hare Tya Vaidya Vasta ho jandi hai. And Guruji also blesses them with Jato Pahara Tira Jo Sone Aro Alivasta. And that Kaam will then turn into Kamana, meaning the yearning, the Ichha, the desire to meet Dhan Dhan Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Dhan Dhan Guru Nanak Dev Ji, to meet Akal Purakh Vaheguru Ji. That yearning, that desire to do more seva, to read more Gurbani. So Guru Pyari Sat Sangat Ji, let's all do Benti to Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji to bless us with a good Sikhi Jeevan, Naam Bani and Seva Simran. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Bole so Nihal Sat Sri Akal. Bole